Creating tags and adding in a Zendesk ticket is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will be telling you exactly how you guys can do it. First thing first, I will be providing the Zendesk link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So first thing is you have to select a ticket. So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and select this one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it. As you guys can see that on the left hand side, I have a requested tab, a tiny tab, followers tab, and then there comes tags option. So simply go ahead and click on that and add as many tags as you can scan. For example, YouTube, as many as you guys can want. So all you have to do is to type the desired tags and press enter, and that will be add. You will be able to add the tags in it. So after that, all you have to do is to save this project. So by simply clicking on submit as pending, you will be able to save it automatically. The tags will automatically be saved. You don't have to manage it. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.